Morning, guys and girls. Hoping that you were able to view the DXY video. The bias was perhaps the DXY is in a potential position where it could continue to roll to the downside. Then what we said was, could I find now a place on a cross pair using the DXY weakness in a similar position? And what I found here is indeed we do have a 15-minute order block. Unfortunately, it has been mitigated, so it is not one that I'm getting excited about just yet. But nevertheless, I will still wait to see how this 15-minute candle closes. So 8 minutes for that to close to see how is that 15-minute candle going to close, if perhaps it does close bullish or bullish engulfing, rather than what I'm going to have to do is actually start the process again. I will have this move to the side because I want to be trading more often than not from that solid foundation, which is a 15-minute time frame. Once that bullish engulfing candle can be confirmed, what I'm going to do is give myself a brand new order block and await to see how price reacts when it comes back down into this order block. At that stage, I'm going to have to wait for at least a break of structure on that 1 minute time frame. So I already know it's more than likely I'll be away from this 15-minute order block if I am going to look to take a position from it. So let me try and illustrate that to the best of my abilities. Bullish engulfing candle, that's going to allow me to have this order block set there underneath. Then when price comes back down, I would not look to take that trade immediately. That's because this is the first time now I'm able to actually use and select a brand new order block. So what I'll have to do is wait for price action on the 1 minute time frame to give me something better. That will be a break of structure that will come by way of, more than likely, a bullish engulfing candle again on that 1 minute time frame. Once I'm then able to do that, there would be the order block selection, and I'd be happy to take this trade. I mean, I haven't looked at any other pairs just yet in relation to the correlation that we've just found on the DXY. We recognize the DXY is just in a position, but not necessarily in the best position. That would correlate very nicely because, again, we have the very similar take here on the DXY. As the DXY popped up through that daily order block and gave us the wick rejection to the highs, we have exactly the same here. Price has tapped into that weekly 50 MA. Price has respected the daily order block just like on the DXY to the highs. And more importantly, price has also respected this 4-hour order block. So I am happy to take a position from here, but I do need to see rather what this 15-minute candle is going to do. It must give me a foundation. I cannot take this trade immediately knowing that I have a better option, a better position to wait and take to the downside. But nevertheless, it is looking good for now. Let's hope and see if this candle closes with a bullish engulfing. Allow me to keep this order block here, and I'll be looking to take that long position once I have my confirmation when price returns.